Hey guys, Rhett here with Section 8 Real Estate Investing. Thanks for watching. Today our topic was brought to us by another one of our viewers, and I think it's important. I'm going to go over it fairly quickly, but it should be enough to help you decide if you are in this dilemma. And the question is, when owning rental property, does it matter if it's in-state, out-of-state? What's easier? What's better? Well, the answer to that is, the easier thing to do is obviously purchase a rental property in your home state, okay? Why do this? Well, it's easier to have what we like to call boots on the ground. And what does that mean? Well, boots on the ground means, and we talked about this in other videos, but it means being there, being able to go to the property, being able to assess issues with the property, being able to meet contractors, meet realtors, meet whoever you need to at the property. It's a way to check in on work that's being done to the property. It's a way to check in with tenants if they need something or they're having issues. It's always easier to own rentals in your home state or close to your home state, right? Having property management companies is great, but property management companies manage a lot of properties. It's different when, you know, they're yours and you can get in your car and drive and just go check them out, okay, as far as peace of mind goes, but especially if you're getting work done to them. You know, it's very hard in this industry, in this business, to trust people, right? Everyone has their stories of contractors that maybe haven't worked out the way that they had planned, or when you trust the management company to do something that isn't done. You know, as an investor that's out of state, sometimes you're taking people at their word, you're taking, you know, what people say, you're taking that to heart because you can't check in on it, right? For example, say you pay a lot of money to have some work done at one of your properties. Somebody tells you it's done, you know, you ask for photos, maybe they get tied up, they don't send them. You go, well, did this work actually get done? If it's close to you, you get in your car, you drive over there, you check it out, you know it's done. And if it's not done, you don't pay for it, right? There are a lot of benefits to having properties in your own state. Now, at the same time, if you're an out-of-state investor, it's all about setting up a strong network, right? It's about having a trusted contractor, it's about having a trusted realtor, it's about having a trusted property management company. So it's very doable. I have a lot of properties out of state and I make it work. I've made my mistakes. I have a great team now because I've made my mistakes, right? We talk about that in some other videos on the channel. So being an out-of-state investor, heck, I know tons and tons of out-of-state investors who do very well, myself included, having properties for years and years and years in different states than I live in. And for some people, you know, if there are markets that they really want to invest in, you know, say you really want to invest in Arizona, but you live in New York City. Does that mean you can't invest in Arizona? Absolutely not. You're just going to need a trusted network of people to make sure that when things go wrong, you have people that can handle issues, okay? Every time, you know, a pipe breaks or every time an appliance goes bad, you're not going to fly from New York to Arizona to get the job done, right? You're going to pick up your phone, you're going to call your property management company, you're going to call your handyman, you're going to call your contractor, you're going to call whoever you need to make sure that it's taken care of. That being said, it's a lot easier if you're living in Arizona, right? You might be living in Phoenix and you have a rental property in Scottsdale, okay? That's a lot easier for the reasons that we just talked about. So guys, that was a great question brought to us by one of our viewers. Like I always say, leave your questions, comments below, because those comments a lot of times are the fuel that gets these videos going. So leave your questions, comments, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we will see you next time. Thanks, guys.